This is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download Roblox on your Android phone. So just look for this symbol somewhere. It's called the Google Play Store. You might be able to find it on here. You can just type in Play Store and then just open it up. And then go to games in the bottom left. And you can usually just scroll down. It's one of the most popular games on here. Like events happening now. Here's Roblox. Otherwise go to search. Type in R-O-B blocks. Roblox. Tap this and it should be the first or second option on here. It looks like it's the second. We can tap on Roblox and go and install right here. It's got a lot of downloads on it. So now we have this game on our phone and we just have to open it up and sign in with their account or create an account. So Roblox is installing. Let's go to play. Here's Roblox. So you can create an account or sign in. And then you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.